To set the camera cutout for an app to auto on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap camera cutout. Scroll down the screen to find the app you want to adjust, or you can find the app quickly by tapping the search icon at the top right. And then type the app name. As the example, we will do so for YouTube. Type YouTube. And then select Auto to let the system decide the best cutout setting for the selected app. In this case, for YouTube. Given to the function, setting the camera cutout to auto ensure a smooth and distraction-free display experience. Whether you are using full-screen apps or watching videos, this feature optimizes the display without manual adjustment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.